Yeah, this video explains a practical example of how to position your lighting point in a room. So if you watch closely, on the ceiling we have one here, one there, then one here. This one is 40 and one here, so making it 4. In the center of the ceiling, we have our chandelier there. Okay, so on the wall, we have wall bracket here, wall bracket, and wall bracket, so making it 3 wall brackets. So can you see the setting? So over there is the switch, so that's the entrance to the room. Okay, and if you watch closely to the wall bracket, okay, when positioning your wall bracket, we must make sure that is above the curtain so that there won't be any obstruction, so that the curtain can balance well without the light bulb affected or the curtain affected. So have you seen everywhere is in order? LED flush. Then we have our chandelier LED chandelier. Okay. Then we have our LED wall brackets. So look at them. So that's how to go about it.